Tomorrow will be better. Look at this diagram on the board. This circle here as so, and the question says, O is the center of the circle, so find T. Unfortunately, it is not drawn to scale. Now let's start by exploiting the information here. We know, according to one of the theorems of circles, that if these are two radii here, and these two same radii are meeting somewhere on the circumference, then if this angle here is 40, then this other angle sustained by these two radii should be twice the angle up here. So this should be 80 degrees. This is the first thing I'd like us to take into account. Now observe this. If I draw another line like this so that O, this and this makes another triangle, you will notice that since this is a radius and this is another radius, then this angle here should equal this angle here. All right, and if you're okay, if you agree with me on this, then we should also consider the fact that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle sum up to 180. So if this is already 80, the rest from 180 is just 100, which should be shared equally between these two angles. Therefore, these angles here are each 50 degrees and 50 here, so that 80 plus 50 plus 50 will give us 180 degrees. Now we end on here. Find T. How do we get T from here? I want you to observe some other thing here. If this angle T here is equal to this angle T, this supposes that this line here is equal to this other line here, and therefore this whole angle here should equal this other whole angle here. I'm going to write it down mathematically so that I can clearly see it. So this is what we are saying. All of this angle, which in essence is 50 plus T, plus this other angle here, which is also 50 plus T, now plus 40 here, should give us 180 degrees. Look at what I've done here. I'm considering this triangle here, this, and then this. So this 40 plus these two equal angles here should give us 180 degrees. If you correctly solve for T in this equation, you will have that T will be equal to 20 degrees. And if you substitute T for 20 here, everything is going to fall in place correctly. Tomorrow will be better.